Ceci est un message test émis tous les premiers mercredis du mois à midi sur Radio Météo Canada. Ce message est destiné à tester les fonctions d'activation d'alarme des récepteurs Radio Météo. You are listening to Weather Radio Canada's monthly test of your alert-equipped weather radio, broadcast near noon, the first Wednesday of each month.
The Environment Canada forecast issued at 11 a.m. Wednesday, April 1st for
Now
today
we wait.
and Thursday. Windsor, Leamington,
Select to
Essex
further.
County for today, mainly sunny. High 13, UV index 5 or moderate. For tonight, a few clouds. Wind becoming southwest 20 kilometers per hour this evening. Low 8. For Thursday, increasing cloudiness. Showers beginning in the afternoon and
You are listening to Weather Radio Canada's monthly test of your alert-equipped weather radio, broadcast near noon, the first Wednesday of each month. Ceci est un message test émis tous les premiers mercredis du mois à midi sur Radio Météo Canada. Ce message est destiné à tester les fonctions d'activation d'alarme des récepteurs Radio Météo.